Hello, Robert Lunte with CourseCREEK. I want to talk to you a little bit about video editing and its role in the process of instructional design. Instructional design, what does that mean? It means that there are professionals out there called instructional designers that take your content that you're going to instruct and they design it in a way that is more meaningful, more purposeful, more engaging with really cool technology and tools and things of that nature. Instructional design. Sometimes in the kinds of courses that we produce with our clients, there is video that's involved. In fact, this very studio here at Oh My God Studios Boise has been a place where we've done some of our best live shoots for our clients right here, by the way. And this kind of content has to be edited. Probably know that. We need to bring in B-rolls. We have to have annotations. We're going to have motion graphics on the screen and that sort of thing. And here's the lesson that I want to lean into. When you're editing your video content for a course, make sure that the instructional designer that has designed the sequence of your lessons and understands the meaning and the purpose and the messaging of each lesson at a deep level, sometimes at a deeper level that you're even aware of yourself, make sure that that individual has a say and an influence in how those videos are being edited. Otherwise, you run the risk of having the coach, the person such as myself, the talking head, giving a message or a lesson in the content that is not aligned with what your instructional designer had in mind for that lesson. That the messaging might be slightly off. That they're not good companions. They're not working together. They're not enhancing each other. They're actually creating conflict. Why? Because your video editor and your instructional designer didn't have a Zoom call and talk about what they're going to do together to make sure that they're on the same team. When we edit content like this for our clients, our editors sit with our instructional designers to make sure that the video edits are an augmentation, that they enhance the instructional designer. Indeed, video editing is part of instructional design if it's done right. So let's make sure that your editing of your video is very nicely synced up with other elements in your instructional design from different technologies other than video, so that you can really move forward with a big impact and everything is aligned.